YouTube, this is Stripland, and today we are cooking New York Strip. So we have some parsley, pepper, and pink salt, and then New York Strip. So we're going to cook it in oil and then sear it in garlic butter. So we're going to start with the pink salt, and we're going to season it just a little, and then we're going to pat it. Should I add a little more to this one?
Yeah, keep going.
I hope it tastes as good. No matter if I get to try it or not. Which I may get to. If there are leftovers, probably not. Need some more of this backside. Now, so we move on to the next one.
Sure.
Okay, we're gonna go back on the other one.
Okay. Looks good. I'll put some pepper on there. Save some for the other side.
Okay.
What are you putting on now?
The pepper.
Good job. You can rub that all over in a minute. That's good.
So let's go to the next one. Just a little more peppery.
Perfect. Now what?
The parsley. I've been waiting for this part. Parsley's my favorite. I want the parsley to at least try to cover everything.
Well, you can rub it all over, okay? That's good. Put some on the other one. Perfect. All right.
One more.
What's next?
Pat it.
Rub it in there real good. Good job. Pat it in there. Good job.
Squeeze it. Oh yeah.
Don't push it too hard.
Remember,
Don't push it too
life
hard.
is about cooking. Now should I flip it?
Yeah, go ahead. Nice and easy. Good job. All right.
So now we've seasoned it and flipped it over. So we heated our oil on about a medium, and we're going to melt our butter on high. Now that the oil is heated, we're going to take the steak gently and put it in there and cover it for about 4 minutes. It's frying, Garrett. Comes down when it's covered. Now it's been about 4 minutes. It's time to take them off and then flip them over and recover them for 4 minutes. Whoop. Ow!
You all right?
Yeah.
Good job.
And then
I helped you get this one back in there. There you go.
that burned me. Man.
I think it scared you more than anything.
This one's so heavy. Now we cooked them for about 8 minutes, and now my dad's going to help me move them into the butter.
How do they look?
Looks good. Like, it looks stug. Get it? Steak. Add the ST to good. You get stug.
That's a good one, buddy.
Yeah, that's good. So we've pan seared it for 1 minute on each side. And so now we are going to pour the butter on it. So then ooh,
They
hot.
sure look good.
Hot. This kind of flavor.
What do you think? You think they'll taste good?
Yeah. So we add more flavor.
I think we got plenty of flavor. What do you say we just cut into them and eat them?
Yeah, I would rather do that right now.
All right, say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.